I have a full brain in my hand. I'll identify some basic parts of the brain. This is the cerebrum, which has two hemispheres. This is the right hemisphere. This is the left hemisphere. This is the cerebellum. This also has two hemispheres, which are connected by a median vermis. This part is the brain stem. The lowest part of brain stem is the medulla oblongata. Then the next part is the pons. The part above the pons is the midbrain. This is the Arachnoidmater. And deep to arachnoidmater, we have a space, sub-arachnoid space, filled with the cerebrospinal fluid. And this sub-arachnoid space is dilated at the irregularities of the brain to form cisterns. We have the largest among the cisterns here, and that is called Cisterna magna or cerebello-medullary cistern. And it is situated below the cerebellum and behind the medulla oblongata. This is the arachnoidmater covering that cistern. This is the place where the cerebrospinal fluid comes out of the central nervous system. Here we have interpeduncular cistern or Cisterna interpeduncularis. This interpeduncular cistern surrounds the interpeduncular fossa, and this contains the parts related to circle of Willis. We have a cistern in front of the pons. It is called Cisterna pontis or Pontine cistern. It contains the basilar artery. We have a cistern here in relation to lateral sulcus. That is called cistern of lateral sulcus, which contains a superficial middle cerebral vein, then deep middle cerebral vein and the middle cerebral artery. Then we have a cistern above the cerebellum, deep there. It is called Quadrigeminal cistern or cistern of great cerebral vein. This region is called interpeduncular fossa. It's bounded anteriorly by the optic chiasma, antero-laterally by the optic tracts, postero-laterally by the Crus cerebri. This is the Crus cerebri, and we have the Crus cerebri here on the other side. Then posteriorly it is bounded by the upper border of the pons. It contains the tuber cinereum here in the mammillary bodies, and behind the mammillary bodies posterior perforated substance. Then the oculomotor nerves emerge out from the medial surface of the Crus cerebri through the fossa.